Happy morning, children. Welcome to the second standard mathematics ICIC class. Today we are going to start a new unit, fourth unit, multiplication. To understand the multiplication, we have this unit. So multiplication means it is a repeated addition. This is very important point. Okay. So when we want to do the multiplication, this is nothing but as a repeated addition. So let us explain the concept of this multiplication. You people can understand easily. Here they given, see the picture in book page number 52. What is a group? So first thing is they are making us things into the group, then they'll do the multiplication. There are 5 pencils in a box. So in one box itself 5 pencils are there. They have a two set of boxes. So how many pencils are there? One box 5 plus another box 5. So 5 plus 5 we can count it and it will be 10. But we can do it in a easy method. 5 in one group, 5 in another group. 2 times 5 is there. 2 5s are 10. So here we are going to use tables. So in this lesson we are going to learn about a 2 table and the 5 table. In the same page number 52 we have a parrot picture is given. Look at the picture, children. Two parrots are sitting together and we have a 4 groups. So 4 groups of parrots in 2 each. So we can add it 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 4 times 2. So now the answer is 8. 4 groups of 2 parakeets makes 8 parakeets in all. That's the answer. In page number 53, we have a checkpoint. Look at the picture, children. We have a ducks or swimming in the water. So how many groups of ducks are there? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, 5 groups of ducks. 2 ducks together. So when we are adding 2 in your mind, take 2 finger. After 2, 3, 4. Now we have 4. 4 in our mind, take 2 finger. After 4, 5, 6. Now 6 in our mind, take 2 finger. After 6, 7, 8. 8 in our mind, take 2 finger. After 8, 9, 10. So we have a 10 ducks are together. We can write it in a simple matter. 5 groups of 2 ducks makes it 10 in all. Can you understand, children? One more picture is there. Leaf picture. 2 leaves joined together. How many leaves are there? 6 groups of leaves. So 6 times when we are adding 2, we'll get 12. Coming to the next picture, pair of shoes. So how many shoes are there? How many pairs of shoes are there? So 7 times. 7 twos are. So 7 twos are 14. So in page number 53, you have to complete in the book itself. Next exercise, page number 54, 4.1. So multiply by 2, complete the table. So they given multiplication table and we are going to learn the table of 2 also here. So stars are given in a number of groups. How many groups are there? In first box 1 group, second box 2 group, third box 3 group, fourth box 4 groups. In each group how many stars are there? 2, 2, 2, 2 each. Okay, in join together, all together, how many stars are there? First one is 2, second one is 4, third one is 6, fourth one is 8. So we can write it in the addition fact 2 only one time. Second 2 plus 2. Third 2 plus 2 plus 2. Fourth 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 4 times. Multiplication fact means 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. So we can write it 4 2s are also, 2 3s are also, both are same. We'll see the fact also. Next picture, 2 how many times are there you count? According to that, how many stars, some pictures are given. You have to choose the picture first, then coming to the multiplication fact. So addition fact, picture, multiplication fact. Now you can start the page number 55. We have a 2 table. This is very interesting, children. Skip counting we know already. We'll skip for 2. 2 means we'll get a 2 table. It is very easy. So now here color 1 is 2, 4, 6 and remaining box are empty. We are going to write 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So how to get this number actually? So we are multiplying 1 with 2, 2, 2 with 2, 4, 3 with 2, 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 10 2s are 20. Understand, children? This you have to write it 3 times in your CW note also, and you have to be thorough in the 2 table. Now exercise 4.2 in page number 56 we have a fill-ups. Okay, look at the picture here. They skip counting by 2. So how many jumps are there? 6 jump of 2 step. You can write factor 6 2s are 12. Coming to the next one is how many jump? 9 jump. So 9 2s are 18. What is the answer? Means the which is the last number, jumping number, that will be the answer. Okay, children. Next coming to the 5 jump of 2 steps, we'll get 5 2s are 10. In that B section we have write the multiplication fact for the picture. They given only picture. We are going to write the number. So how many groups are there? 2 groups. In each group how many are there? 2 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Then second one strawberry picture is there. That is 7 groups is there. 2. 7 2s are 14. Next one is balloon. 5 groups are there. 5 2s are 10. Next a ball. 4 groups are there. 2 balls are there. So 4 2s are 8. Next chocolate picture. 3 groups are there. 2 2 each. 3 2s are 6. So without seeing that picture, we can write count without counting the picture number. We can write it the answer easily using the multiplication of 2. Today's class is over, children. You have to learn the tables of 2 thoroughly. Okay, this is your assignment today, and you have to complete page number 56 up to 56 and write the tables in the CW notebook also. Thank you, children. Stay home and stay safe.